Hello home baker, how's it going? Today we are going to make apple yeast bread. This recipe calls for a no-knead approach and type of pre-ferment called Poolish. The result is a rustic bread full of flavor and with amazing crust and texture. Let's get started. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine water, flour, and strong pinch of yeast. Mix until thoroughly combined and then cover the bowl with a lid or a plastic wrap. Let it ferment at room temperature for a minimum of 6 hours to 12 hours. After 6 to 12 hours, the Poolish should look quite bubbly and smell quite yeasty. In a big bowl, add Poolish with the 250 ml of water. Stir well to loosen and well combine. Add 4 grams of yeast and 12 grams of sugar. Give it a stir to prevent any lump of yeast. Add 5 grams of salt, 400 grams of bread flour. Mix well until well combined and there is no visible dry flour. The dough looks quite dry, but do not worry, do not add any more water. Just gently tuck the dough with both hands, cover and rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour at room temperature until double in volume. Meanwhile, prepare your cooking apple. Peel, dice 2 large apples of your choice. Granny Smith's, Jonagold, Cosmic Crisp, anything works. Place apple pieces in a medium bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Combine well to make sure each piece is coated. After 1 hour, dough looks double in volume, and when you pull with your finger, it'll spring back. Add prepared apple pieces directly into bowl. Stretch, fold, and tuck gently to combine diced apple with the dough. Some pieces will not incorporate, but that's okay. Transfer dough into well-floured parchment paper. Shape the dough as round as possible. Pop it back to the bowl, cover with the lid, let it rise for a second time for 45 minutes at room temperature. Meanwhile, preheat an oven and a Dutch oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 45 minutes, place the dough in a preheated Dutch oven and bake with the lid on for 20 minutes and lid off for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Once baked, transfer them to wire rack, leave it cool down and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Happy baking!